How to do a less than or equal to filter in Django queryset. I am attempting to filter users by a custom field in each user's profile called profile. This field is called level and is an integer between 0 to 3. If I filter using equals, I get a list of users with the chosen level as expected. When I try to filter using less than, I get the error. Global name user profile underscore level is not defined. Is there a way to filter by is lower than or am I barking up the wrong tree?
Greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. You can find them all in the documentation. This URL.
Put underscore GT suffix for greater than to the field name age. Put underscore GT suffix for greater than or equal to the field name age. Put underscore LT suffix for less than to the field name age. Put underscore LT suffix for less than or equal to the field name age.